Kayaking with whales, that really appealed to me. Just being up close to the sea life, the wildlife.
The first orca encounter was very interesting.
We just basically started the trip. Within a half an hour, we had orcas.
They kept getting closer and closer till you saw the top of their fins.
But it was just such a wonderful present. We kayaked to our first camp, which was a beautiful spot. You just sit at the beach and you can see the whales. I would say one comes by probably every 20 minutes or so. It's just been amazing.
There's a lot of cool tide pools in this area, and you can find a lot of really cool things when you just look around.
I think the great thing about the trip, apart from the wildlife and the scenery, is the way the group has come together and bonded.
I came as the solo traveler. Our group is super welcoming, and I got to paddle with the guides.
The food has been great, the guides have been wonderful. It's interesting how they can go out with you all day and paddle, and within a half an hour they've got dinner.
To see a whale really, truly up close from a kayak, this is a once in a lifetime.